So welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Lee Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you really quick how you can create a category inside of a category group. Now, you might be new at YNAB, and you might be wondering, well, what is a category group, and why do I even care, to be honest with you? Well, category groups are very good if you want to kind of section off some of your categories from other categories, so it's not so overwhelming when you have a whole long list of categories. So this might be handy if you have maybe you have a category group for home, and that might include home repairs, home maintenance, groceries, and other stuff under it, right? That's dealing with your home. And then you might have another category group that just has auto, and it has everything related to your automobile under there, whether that's automobile repairs, automobile maintenance, or any other things like purchasing a new automobile or what have you, right? So these are very useful groups to kind of separate things away from other groups. And the way you can do that is select category group. Now, the way I've been setting up my category groups, I've been setting them up in a certain way. Like, for instance, I might have immediate obligations. I might have another category group that might be called true expenses. And I could have another group called daily living. And then under each one of these categories, and I might want to reorganize those in the manner of importance, right? And so underneath these, you can click this little plus icon here for the one you're wanting to work on. So this is immediate obligations. I might want to put mortgage under here. Or I might want to put electric under here, right? And maybe under true expenses, I might want to put auto registration. And you might ask, well, what is true expenses? Well, true expenses are things that might not necessarily happen every month, but they're definitely going to happen at some point during the year. Maybe it's a quarterly thing, maybe it's every 6 months, or maybe it's just a yearly thing. Like maybe an auto registration might be a yearly thing, right? But those expenses are eventually going to happen, and you want to save for them every single month. So when that time comes for that auto registration, you're not scrambling to try to find money for it. It's already been saved up over the last 12 months, right? And daily living, well, maybe this will include your groceries, right? Maybe this is also including your household goods, right? So these are the important things concerning category groups in relation to categories. I hope this episode was helpful, and if it was, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought about it, and if you have any questions. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet and want to see more of these videos on YNAB, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.